Hi there, I'm Tanya Stilwell, your independent sales consultant with Norwex, and I want to show you a couple tests today that'll hopefully give you full confidence knowing that you can clean with just Norwex and water. Let's do this. So what I have here is a piece of yucky chicken. You know we all hate chicken. And I'm going to rub these chicken juices in this little square right here. So nasty, isn't that? Chicken is just so nasty. Everybody hates mess with chicken. But it's always great at a party, right? And we're going to take our wet Enviro cloth, fold it into quarters, not scrunched. Remember, if we scrunch it, there's places for all that nasty stuff to hide. So we're going to use it flat, okay? Now we're going to just wipe up in our little square. Now I wonder what would happen if we take the same Enviro cloth and do another surface. Let's see. So now I'm going to use this protein swab that we get from Inspection Tool Company, and I'm going to swab the inside and the outside and see what protein we have. Remember, protein is bad. So if it's green, it's clean, and if it comes up purple, that means we still have protein, active protein here. So we have it all swabbed, and we're going to get the juices down there because that's what activates it. And as you can see, green is clean. So we don't have to get out those big guns to clean up the nasty chicken juices. We have full confidence in Norwex and water. So on to test number 2. So growing up, I was raised that if we had to clean anything like those nasty chicken juices or clean the bathroom, we brought out these guys. These guys were what cleans it all. Well, I'm going to show you another test that shows that Norwex microfiber and water does an amazing job removing all of that nasty stuff. So I'm going to use some powder and under a black light, and you're going to be able to see what is more effective here. So we're going to put the powder on both sides of this plate, and we're going to rub it in. And I'm going to wipe my hands on this Enviro cloth. And I'm going to show you what it looks like under the black light first. Before we do anything with it, before we clean either side, we're going to see what it looks like under the black light. So you see how that's glowing green? That's showing all the powder that we just put on this plate, okay? And now we're going to look at it after we clean it with one of those disinfecting wipes. And I'm going to tell you, if you haven't read the directions on the back of them, you probably should. So we're going to pull out one of those wipes, and we're going to wipe one side clean. And then we're going to use our Enviro cloth for the other side. Let me turn it this way because it's a little bit easier for me to clean this way. And remember, we're going to use it flat, and of course it's wet. Our Enviro cloth is wet and flat. And now we're going to look under our black light, and we're going to see what's being left behind. Remember, this side over here is the Enviro cloth, and this side was our disinfecting wipe. Let's take a look. Now remember, oh my, what do we see on this side? You can see how that disinfecting wipe just pretty much just moved everything around. And on our other side, our Norwex side, is purple. So purple means that we removed that bacteria. And this is what was left behind from our wipe. So I hope that gives you full confidence in Norwex. Now let's go back to our chicken piece again. So remember when we did it earlier, green was clean. Now let's see what it looks like when we put it actually on our chicken. So you see that this is not a trick protein swab, that this swab really does work. We got it on our chicken. You can see it's already turning purple. Now, as it turns, it's going to get a darker color, and as it sets, it's going to get darker. You can probably see that it is already turning a brown, kind of gray looking color now, and it will be super purple here before you know it. Up close, you can probably see the purple swab in there, and you see how it's no longer green. That shows you that the protein was detected. Well, I hope these two will show you that you can have full confidence in our Norwex microfiber and just water, cleaning even those big, tough, yucky jobs. Thanks for stopping by.